Well, another week has gone by and I've emptied out the entire dining room. Got plastic hanging up. Because hopefully we're going to get a lot more work done in the bathroom right now. This is where we're at. The old flooring from the 80s. We've got some more framing that needs to happen. We got to cut up the floor. Put new flooring in. Run some wires for some new electrical components, some lighting. Well, that's what I'm going to do today. Jeanette's at work. My dad's going to come over and we're going to try and get as far as we can today. It is 5 o'clock. We started at 10. And honestly didn't get a whole lot done. But what we did get done was a pain. Pain in the ass to do. Cut floor out. Cut a joist out. Added all of that stuff right there. And more to do tomorrow. I'm very tired. And I gotta clean up. I'm going to clean up, find some food, shower and then find some food, and sit on the couch. And I'm very stuffy. All that stuff in the air. Day number 2 of working in the bathroom. Got supports put in place specifically for towel racks. Got our tub dry fitted. Just testing it out there. Supports for floating shelves. Opened up a space for our light bar. And of course we have the floor put in. Lots done. We got a bunch of stuff for our bathroom. We got our vanity right here. These are our shower walls. Light fixture. Some towel racks. Our shower head. Vent cover. Sink, faucet. Toilet. And our ceiling fan and light combo. And presents for kids who need to pick up their presents from Christmas time. So the bathroom is taking up most of our time. I'm unable to record a bunch during it, so videos will probably be sparse while this is going on. I'll probably end up skipping weeks of posting, but it's something that has to be done, so we're gonna do it. It's another weekend, another Friday, and we're putting in work on the bathroom. The floor is sealed and caulked, all the joints. Today, we're going to try to get this bath or the tub plumbed and maybe installed. And then we got to move this wall right up against it. There's only a couple of screws holding this wall up. So that's the goal, get this tub installed. And once the tub is installed, we might be able to put the shower walls up. And then we've got to put our fan in. I don't know how we're going to do that in the winter, but we've got to do that. And then we've got to build in this little corner right here, next to the door. In between those two studs, we're going to build a linen closet. Take away space from our bedroom closet, because that's what this space is right here. If you can see the carpet, that's all bedroom closet. We're going to take this corner out right here. From this over to the wall. So we'll see how much we can get accomplished today. We're done for the day. I'm going to show you our dining room. And then our living room, which is now our / dining room. It's messy. And our hallway, full of tools and mess. This room needs swept out still, but we got the tub put in. The wall moved into place finally. Tub's all plumbed and secure. We got the toilet flange in. And we ran out of lumber, but we got this cubby cut out for our linen closet. So close. Mr. Maloonigan's outfit. He won't bend his back legs in it. Oh.
Come here. Mr. Maloonigan, come.
Well, I haven't recorded in a long time. I've recorded a few clips here and there, but we've been real busy with our bathroom. All of our spare time has been going to this bathroom project. I'll show you where we're at now. We got the shower and tub installed. All the framework's done. Extra supports for towel racks. We don't got to search for studs. Our new linen closet here. We drew a map of this entire room, so we would remember exactly where our supports were. Those are supports for shelves we're going to be putting in. Supports for a mirror, so we can have the exact center of our new vanity. Put up a spot for a new light. But that's what we've been doing. So we haven't done any project work really. I did a little bit on our dresser, which I will go downstairs and show you. I do have to do a little bit more work on it, so I'm going to do that right now. So we restained the dresser and it got rid of that tape line that was down right there. Made it a little bit darker. Looks a lot better. But tools from bathroom renovation. We got to see if these will match now. Okay, everything is really dusty right now, but I think they do look lighter, so I'm gonna have to stain them. And one thing I noticed is this bottom drawer does not go in nicely. It rubs all the way across this, which is gonna scrape that paint almost immediately. So I have to figure out something to do to get rid of that. So I gotta stain those drawers. Yeah, they definitely don't match. So So this is the bottom one, the one that rubs across the top of this black painted part. I don't know how I'm supposed to fix that. The only thing I can think of is running this across my table saw and cutting the bottom shorter and hoping I don't chip this front veneer on it. I'm thinking that's the only thing I can do. That'll raise this up. This will still sit perfect, but this won't be rubbing anymore. I might have to risk it. But these do look richer and darker. I think they'll match. And then we'll see about cutting a drawer. If I screw it up, then it's done. I don't know what I'll do. I'll have to look into it. I really like that dresser. I don't want to mess it up by cutting a drawer, but I don't want the first time to push the drawer in, it scrapes that paint off. That's useless. And if we sell it, then someone gets ripped off and disappointed. Maybe we could figure something else out besides cutting the drawer. We are to a point where our work in that bathroom is pretty much done. We got to get drywall, so we're going to hire someone to do the drywall, I think. And then we're going to hire someone to do the flooring. After those two things are done, we'll put the toilet, vanity, shelves up, and sink faucet in, shower head in, painting before any of that, and then the trim work, and the bathroom will be done. That's if we can get someone to come do the drywall, and if it's cheap enough for us to do. I don't want to do it myself. It doesn't sound like fun. We've already done so much work to that bathroom. I'm tired of it. But that makes making videos a little bit easier. If I can get to some videos next weekend or this weekend, I'll have content. This vlog is going to be real quick, just a couple of clips from the past few weeks of our progress updates in the bathroom, and then my dresser. That's all I got. It's real late at night and I need to edit still. So I'm going to end this vlog, if it is a vlog, see if I have enough footage to make one, and get it edited. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next week.